Hi, this is Stuart Bland from RMD Quickform. I'm the key account manager for Dubai. What we're looking at the moment is the towers for the MAC. The subcontractor is Shapoorji Pallonji Middle East. What we've got is we've got a tower system utilizing the RMD Quickform L-Shore Plus system put into table form. We've got a primary as a steel soldier and a secondary member as the GTX beam. The beauty of this system is that they're able to work on 2 floors and improve their cycle time. At the moment, they're utilizing the system to do a 4-day cycle time. That's from slab to slab. Originally, they estimated using competitor system as a 10-day cycle time. We've obviously worked with the team, developed the system to get this 4-day cycle time, which has really impressed the site team and allowed them to speed up on their schedules.
Hi, this is HD Kumta, Project Director, Park Tower, Shapoorji Pallonji Middle East. Park Tower consists of 3 basements and 7 podium and 41 floors. This particular project, this is an icon project, Twin Tower, and it's going to be a landmark in Dubai. This particular typical floor of this particular project is been planned with RMD table form. Basically, one plate of this slab is consisting of 69 tables. The entire table has been shifted with a C-hook. So where there is no danger of slipping of people from top to down. That way it is really a good system. Basically Mr. Stewart has helped us a lot and sent his technicians on day-to-day basis to educate our people and educate our foremen, our engineers and our laborers. Definitely this is a good system. So system selection is definitely based on the project requirement. If such type of projects comes in future, definitely this type of system is recommended for future projects.
I'm Rajiv, I'm the manager planning in this project. What I wanted to tell this see the shape of the building. In this shape, when we are planned for the table, we are thinking that this table will match in this building or not. Because the shape, if it is here and it is going smaller, it is almost from 13th floor to 42th floor, it is going almost 15 meters smaller. Mainly we are using this also aluminium. We thought that initial stage that it will take some 8 days for a slab, each slab cycle, but ultimately we could able to do it in 4 days. Now we are planning for 3 days in each cycle. If this is not a RMD table form, if it is not a also, then maybe we could have lost some time in this project. You can say the table has helped us a lot. If you can see that total building, if it is 40 floor and we can save 2 days in each floor, so it is almost 70-80 days we are saving in a total project duration of 700 days. This table form, RMD also, the prop is, these heavy duty props are very lightweight. The load what one prop take is much more lighter than other or local or any other make. We can move the table and people, handling of the table is much better. So people feel safe while moving the table, means user friendly for them. The system also what we are using as table form is really helped us in this project.
As you can see on my right hand side, you can see the table layout. This is utilizing the L-Shore Plus system, utilizing a 2-meter leg with a quick strike jack. We've used the RMD Soldier as a primary member on these table forms with a GTX secondary member. As you can see quite clearly that the Shapoorji Pallonji is utilizing the system on 2 floors. That means they increase their cycle time and utilization of the system to do a 4-day concrete cycle time. The system is utilizing a C-hook to move it from one level to the next. As you can see, it's a double-eyed C-hook so that the tables can be moved over 2 floors. One of the key features of the L-Shore Plus table system is the quick strike jack release system. We've designed the system to be safe and fast when it comes to releasing the load from a concrete floor. Once the floor has been poured and cast, it's a very simple system of striking this point here and releasing the load. You have safety pins that work on a spring system. This pin here is for locating the leg into the jack. That position there is now safe and secure for the system, which positions the leg in the quick release jack. If you'll notice this pin over here, this also has a spring system. In that position, the system is ready to be struck. In that position, it means that it's safe and the customer can clearly see that it's located and secured in the quick strike mechanism.
I am Prakash Vasudevan.
as a construction manager, I am looking after the South Tower, Shapurji Palanji Middle East. This project is 3 basements, 7 podiums and 42 floors. Now the South Tower is 23rd floor. Already we are completed 22nd floor we are completed. So earlier we are started 10-day cycle. Nowadays we are doing 4 to 5 day cycle.
The great thing about this RMD Quick Farm is this cantilever frame which is attached to this Alshore leg. This is the reason why we have provided this is the safety and the access of 1 meter around the table form.